And that has a lot to do with our spinal curve structure, whether it's the right structure or the wrong structure. At the end of the day, it's still the same fulcrum stress points in your spine that are going to take on most of that weight-bearing load. And so typically in the middle part of your neck right here at C5, middle part of your mid-back or your hunchback between your shoulder blade region at T7, middle part of your low back at L3, and then right at the top of your tailbone, L5 region right here. This is a side view of the tailbone, and then a front view would be right here. Those are the areas that take on the greatest compressive stress load. And naturally, because of that, when I'm making recommendations for you for, let's say, taking some stress off of that disc or taking stress off of this disc, a lot of it is going to come from the absolute best thing we could do is have x-rays, because the x-rays are going to show us the underlying structure and how your body's loading those spinal joints, which is part of the reason why I ask you for those. And we can review them virtual and then couple that with doing a front on and a side view postural analysis and with a 3D augmented measurement system. Now, the reason why I'm going to end up giving you specific types of isometric muscle holds and then stretch combinations, so stretch strengthen muscle work, is very simply because it's all reverse engineered from which muscles actually support each of these fulcrum stress points in your spine, and then which ones reinforce pivot areas in your spine.